Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can add folders to your AOL mail. So without wasting any more time now, let's go ahead and start with this video. First step is to open any browser, and the second step is to open your AOL mail. After you open AOL mail, make sure you do have your account. Go ahead and log into your account and you will see this type of interface. Now to add a folder, you must scroll down a bit and you can see the folder option. You can hide it as well. But if you want to add a new folder, click on New Folder. Now you can write down the folder name. So after you write down the folder name, hit enter and you can see this folder has been created. Right now this folder is empty, but you can send your spam, your any mail you have. You can click on move and you can see your folder over here. If you click on this folder, you can see that the mail has been transferred to the folder which you have just created. Now let me teach it to you once again. Open AOL mail and log into your account. Then scroll a bit down and find folder over here on the left hand side. Click on new folder and write down the folder name, click enter, and there you go. This is how you create a folder on AOL mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.